I'm going to talk about how we can do object reference, check the object reference equality, how we can compare the values in Kotlin. Okay, so let's get started. So generally, like if we talk about the Java, suppose if we want to compare the reference, we have double equals operator, right? But in Kotlin we have triple equal operator. Actually we are saying triple time equal, we can put it. And generally we checking the object value, compare the value is equal or not to like just in we want to compare two object have same value or not. So generally we use equals in Java. And in Kotlin we have two things, like a double equals we can use, or we can use equals method as well, right? And suppose if you want to negate it, like means opposite, so we can say not double times equal for reference, and for value comparison we can say not double equals. So this equals method now is in Kotlin we're saying generally this solve all the purpose comparison, we generally use double equals. But if we can say where this method is written like equals method, so we can go over command B, we can see here this is the open class, and this is that root of the Kotlin class hierarchy. Every Kotlin class has any as a super class. So here the way we have in Java object class, in Kotlin we have any class, super class, and we have method like equals and hash code and toString. Okay, so let's go over some example, so how we can use this double equal or triple equals or equals method. So let's compare it. So here I am trying to say here is just I have two integer that both integer have the same value, and if I am going to run it, so let's see what will be the output. So what I am doing here, is just I am using the double equals operator to compare the content of the value of the variables actually. So because both content we are saying that this is primitive type, so reference will be also same, or value is also I'm putting here is same. Okay, so if I run it, so we can see the output is coming like a true. Okay, all are true, right? Because both are different. So let's change this, we are saying that 12, then see what is the difference. Now it's again like all is false, because both are the different reference and different content have it. Okay, so this is we are talking about the primitive type. Let's create some class and talk about on that part. So here I created one class. Here I'm saying this class is department, and that is going to have department name type string. Okay, so I have created two object, department 1, department 2, and I'm passing the same name as IT department. And I'm going to compare, first is value comparison I'm doing. The same thing I'm doing through the equals method as well, and here I'm checking the reference. So let's see what will be the output, then we will discuss. So it's running it. Now we can see all are coming as a false. So why it's coming all the false? Basically because value is same here, right? IT is also here, IT is also here, but the normal class compiler treats a different way, because it's not compare the content of the of the attributes, it is compare the reference actually basically. So this is the problem. So if we are using data class, it will try to compare the content, not reference. So if I change this one data class as a data class, so we can see the output here. Okay, so here I am getting true because we are comparing the content in data classes, but not reference. Compiler treat a different way, normal class and data class. That's a difference actually. And here I am getting some notification replace with the equal. So generally it will be the same. You can use equals, or generally we always try to use double equals to compare the value. So it's now the same thing. And suppose if I want to compare, actually let's see this value how I'm doing here. So if I want to compare these things here, so what I'm trying to do here is name. I'm comparing the attributes, department name is equals or not, and the reference is equal or not. But reference is what I'm talking about, the attributes. So the reference is what type of reference? Is string, right? So both are string and both are the values same, so the reference is same for both actually. So you see right, this is coming all are true. So this way we can compare the object reference as well as content of the object to check if equals or not. So thank you for your time. Hope it's help you. Something you learn new. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback.